Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
When is Priyanka Chopra not on her A game? Lately, there has been nothing that she has gone wrong with, and she's one of the few celebrities who keeps pushing boundaries with her style and her makeup. This time, she opted for a glitter eye and pinkish red lip, and she wore it to a fashion show in Milan. While that fits the bill perfectly, I also realized that it's a pretty good look for this festive season. After all, who doesn't love glitter? Just in case you need to touch up your makeup later, keep your powder, brush and lipstick handy in your makeup pouch and you'll be good to go. Speaking of makeup pouches, mine is from the POPxo shop, so go check it out. We have some amazing things like cushion covers, laptop skins, notebooks, of course makeup pouches and a lot more. Just click on the link in the description box below and go crazy shopping. For more makeup tips and tricks and beauty hacks, keep watching POPxo Beauty. Bye!